Welcome to our Greek lesson number 1.6. And this lesson we're going to be learning about the accent marks. There are three accents: the acute, the circumflex, and the grave. These accents, like the breathings, stand over a vowel, and in the case of a diphthong, over the second of the two component vowels. When a breathing and an accent stand over the same vowel, the breathing comes first, except in the case of the circumflex accent, which stands over the breathing. Thus, for example, here we see oiku and oikos. If you notice, the first oiku has the smooth breathing mark and the acute accent, and they are both over the letter iota. However, in oikos, you have the smooth breathing mark over the iota, and then the circumflex is placed over top of the breathing mark, the smooth breathing mark. Moving on, we see that the use of the accents will be studied in Lesson 2. Here, it should simply be observed that the stress in pronunciation is to be placed on the syllable that has any one of the accents. And so, for example, we see here with this word, it is oiku. Oiku. The stress is placed on the first syllable, oi. Here it is oikos. Oikos. Again, the stress is put over the syllable. Now let's suppose we had a rough breathing mark here, just for fun. This would be pronounced hoiku and hoikos, just to remind us of the rough breathing mark. All right, that concludes our lesson 1.6. We looked at the different breathing marks. There is the acute breathing mark. Notice it moves up. There is the circumflex, and it'll sometimes look like this, and it'll go over the letter. And then there's the grave, and it is pointing down. We'll learn more about these as we go along. So that concludes our lesson 1.6.